If you were shopping online, which of these two images would catch your eye the most? What's up guys, I'm Will from Entrepreneurial Will, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your mockup images looking from something like this to something like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like, and let's get into it. So if you're pursuing print on demand, I'm sure you're used to the default Printful or Printify images that they give you, and they look something generally like this or like this, and the problem is your customer has seen them a million times, so they know it's print on demand, and it just doesn't stand out compared to something, let's say, I can't find a good example here, but I mean, let's say this, right? Damn, I've actually noticed a few of my own products on this page, like this one and this one. But anyway, when you have mockup images looking like this, you aren't really maximizing your chances of selling. So what should you do? Well, what I use and recommend is a service called PlaceIt. Now look, I know this is probably your first question, so I'll get to it first. Does it cost money? Unfortunately, yes, it costs $15 a month, but if you go to the link in my description, I have a 10% off link for a monthly plan and 50% off annual plan. But look, this video is going to be showing you what it's all about and why it's actually worth it. So watch the video first and then you can make the decision. So what is PlaceIt? Well, as you can probably tell, PlaceIt is a place where you can get over 25,000 mockups, and it's not just for t-shirts. There's hoodies, even phone cases, hats, just basically everything that you would have on your print-on-demand store. The process is actually really simple too. So let's just say we wanted to use this guy, for example. Give it a second to load. It's as simple as picking the design you want. Let's just say this one. Please don't steal my design. I got a graphic designer to make this one. And let's just say we wanted it like that, whatever. And you could actually change the hoodie color to anything you want. Right now there's a PlaceIt watermark because I'm on incognito right now. I'm not signed into my account, so that's how they stop you from getting these mockups if you're not subscribed. But there would essentially be no watermark. But anyway, you could actually change the hoodie color from beyond just these. You could really do anything in the color spectrum. Let's just say we wanted whatever. Let's just use this or this or this. You could play around with all of them. Anyway. So the process is really as simple as that, and here I got some really cool looking mockups in my opinion, and there's just tons. There's so many options I would not have time to show you all. The next thing I'm going to show you is really cool, and they're the only service I know that really does this, and it's actual videos. You can make literal like Facebook ads with this thing. I mean, there's actually a bunch, even for mugs. It's not just clothing. There's a bunch of cool ones. These are not necessarily my favorites, so it's just the first page, but there are 34 pages of mock-up videos. You could of course change the apparel color or whatever it is for all of the videos too. It just shows white by default, and I mean, come on, how would you not want this dude rocking your hoodie? So at this point you get it. It has amazing mockups for literally like every kind of product, but let me show you what else it has to offer as extras. So designs, first of all. I'm just going to show you these extra things quite quickly, but look, free to use designs, and yes, you could edit them. It's literally the whole print-on-demand process. You have your mockups, and you can even get designs on here, and they're pretty editable. I'm not going to open the design editor right now, but there's actually 278 pages of ready-to-use designs. So even besides that, there's also logos, so you can actually make the logo for your brand. I'm going to skip over this. I mean, it's similar to designs, except it's logos for your brand. It's pretty cool. You just put in your brand name, and it generates like hundreds, if not thousands of them. Videos, I already told you about the mockup videos, but you could actually make Instagram story videos. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly. So you see they have tons of templates. It's absolutely awesome. And furthermore, they have promo videos. So, I mean, check this out. Literally, it's almost like a second Canva. Like honestly, the only two services I'm subscribed to for this kind of thing are Canva and this. And yeah, and then if you're a gamer, you know, they have Twitch banners, stuff like that. Pretty cool too. I mean, even if you're not a gamer, YouTube thumbnail templates, YouTube banners, video to GIF converter. I didn't actually know about that, but yeah, the point is you get all this for 15, and not even 15, you get 10% off per month with the link in the description. It might actually be 15%. Let me double check. So yeah, it actually is 15% off a month. I was wrong earlier in the video, but that's even better. More savings for you. So for just $12.70 a month, this is all yours. I've been using this for a few months, and I could genuinely say my conversion rate has went up since I started using it. You see, I don't like to promote services that I don't personally believe in. I'm an affiliate of this because I actually actively use it. And print on demand is a low to no investment business model. So honestly, there's one place to put $12.70 a month to, I would say, is on getting good mockups, because those standard white background ones are not really gonna set you up for success, really. So yeah, $12.70 a month. The link is in the description. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys soon.